Hi everyone, in today's video I'm going to show you how to crochet the granny stitch hood in a lighter color. So this is how the back seam looks like. So in this video I'm going to show you how I joined the back seam using the single crochet stitch, and this is how it looks like on the wrong side, and this is how it looks like on the right side. Start with a rectangle. If you don't know how to do the granny stitch, please check my other video, link in the description box. You fold the rectangle in half and then you use the single crochet to join the back seam. Start with a slip knot. Using a 5mm hook, single crochet from the top until you get to the end of the row. So you will be joining the two sides of the back seam to create your hood. Join the two sides as demonstrated. Single crochet 2 in the first chain 2 space. Single crochet 1 to join the clusters. Single crochet 2 in the next chain 2 space. Single crochet 1 to join the granny clusters. So continue doing the same, continue repeating the same steps until you get to the end. That's your hood done. I hope this tutorial was clear. I hope it's better than the other tutorial. If you'd like any more assistance or if you need help, please don't hesitate to contact me. I'll be happy to answer any of your questions regarding this tutorial or regarding crocheting and knitting. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Until next time, happy crafting.